Power, Ron! Power, what are you doing? Oh, landed. Nothing but trouble at the airfield now. Ron's here. It's pre-flight Ron. How's it going, mate?
Good. Good, yeah.
So, Ron, have people been giving you a hard time about your ailerons?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we need to fix that. Well, Ron with the profanity.
Straps are a pain in the ass.
Well, don't stick them in your underpants, Ron. The Velcro, it does catch. There you go, mode 1 launch. Tongue on the throttle. Take out Ron's skinny legs on the landing.
That's only about half throttle, eh? I think you're landing. Yeah, I fucked up.
These bloody airline pilots, they put us all to shame, Ron. This is a greaser, Ron. That's a beautiful landing, mate. That is just fantastic. It's a wheelie landing. Really good.
Really, really good. That stabilised mode that it's in now doesn't work. It flies exactly the same when it's off, right?
Stabilised.
But if you put a bank on it and it's got that stable and let everything go, it stays with the bank on it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does Westpac know about this?
But that one,
Stabilised mode.
that one bloody,
Stabilised.
if you like this and you flick it on, it just levels it.
But I noticed when you flick that switch, your eyes get a lot more stable. How's that?
Yeah,
what's that
I've got it connected to my
Yeah, I think
glasses.
so. That's the inverted hand launch.
I don't think so.
No, you don't think so?
He's not going to use the grass.
No, it's got wheels, Ron. You can use the tarmac. Did you give him some sage words of advice?
Yeah.
Good.
I should check out everyone's going.
That's a brilliant suggestion, Ron. Wish more people would think of that.
Is that him?
Yeah, he's got dual rate on the throttle.
Yeah.
I think there's air bubbles in the fuel line. It does change gear, Ron. Right now Ron's just checking the ailerons. Make sure they go the right way. Does it on all his planes. Power, Ron! Power, what are you doing? Oh, landed. That's a perfect Northern Hemisphere landing. Ron, the trouble is we're in the Southern Hemisphere. But apart from that, she's great. No worries at all.
That flew off.
Yeah, but that wouldn't have gone far, mate.
No, but that's all the holes the battery in, basically.
Well, you weren't going to do any inverted. It'd be good. And then the sun comes out. That's wonderful. Nice sun. Love it.
Let's go.
Taxi back, Ron. Not going to taxi you back.
Try and get down to the ground and then slow it down.
Yeah, but it picks up speed when it's coming down. It's way fast. It's better. It's much better. It's because it was a wheelie landing. What's that noise up here? Well, I can hear a whole lot of noise. What's all that? Where's that going from?
But that's on 3 cells too. It gets off quick.
They do, mate. They're very good, those Super Easies.
But even yours on 4 cells. this on 3.
Yep, I think they changed the motors.
They have.
V&E coming up.
That stabiliser handles that crosswind when it picks up.
I wasn't watching you, Ron. I'm sorry about that. I was watching this glider, man. Taxi it back.
Trying to feel our way.
Well, yeah, a safe distance, I think it's called, Ron.
And still see it.
Yeah, just walk through the shop, Ron. That's excellent. Thank you for
Okay.
that. You did really well.
Yeah.
You could be a walk-on on any movie.
Well, you're the cameraman, you should be walking it down. A little bit less crowd, but rider.
Gets up there pretty quick, eh? Look at that. Ooh. You know, Ron, I reckon that glider's nearly as good as Gordon's gingham tablecloth glider.
Yeah, nearly.
What do you think? Nearly as good, isn't it?
Nearly as good as my red one.
Nearly as good as your red one.
Yeah.
So, Ash, what is that big glider, mate? Tell us more about it.
Second-hand Thermic C from the auctions.
Bought it from an auction.
Yeah.
Ooh. How much did you pay for it?
Can't say that, it would incriminate me.
Oh, yeah, okay. Fair enough. Don't want the wife find that.
Yeah.